What's up everybody, Brian here with the official attention to details, also known as ATD Studio in beautiful downtown Chesterton. We've got a lot going on. We've got a 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago. I have a hard time with that word. It's roughly 3,000 miles, absolutely stunning vehicle. We're going to be doing a complete full Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating wrap on this. All wrapped edges, D-badge, the way it should be done. We're going to be doing rims off, polished, ceramic coated. Yes, the barrels, not just the faces that you see everyone saying they're ceramic coating rims now and they're taking a rag and wiping on whatever God knows on the face of the rim. Completely, I don't understand that. But anyway, true coverage, the way it should be done. We're going to walk you through the process on this vehicle as when it comes up next to be done. Then we're going to pass this one for a moment here. Then we have the 2023 Kia Stinger GT line. We did a full frontal with the Expel Fusion. We did the rockers, mirrors, A-pillars, tinted out all the windows. That's Jose in the back there just finishing up the back window. Got this all completed. It needs its bath. We did a D-badge, all vents, anything out we take out. And wrap all underneath the edges the proper way it should be done, and we do not charge extra for this. This car is dirty from the gel and stuff like that, so it will be given a bath tomorrow, and this should be leaving tomorrow, Friday. Yellow tape on it is just one of the processes we do here. We have several eyes that look. The guys check everybody's work out here, so this tape is mean that it's been trimmed, everything's tight and ready for its bath, and then we deliver to the customer. So this come out excellent. Then we have a 2020 McLaren 720S for a full Expel Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating on this as well. We got Cody over here intensely doing the doors. These doors are very difficult. And we got Jay on the other side. He got the front fender done. He's now going on the door. Cody's got the front fender mirror on this way. Big job, D-badged. We're wrapping everything, but some of the contours, Kenny's got some good pictures I think he's going to throw in this video to show you the difficulty levels that's going, what the guys are dealing with. This car is also a rims off and coating on the rims and the calipers and stuff like that. So, and we got some window tinting going on this. So this is going to be, it's quite the job. We'll hopefully have this done in about a week. And so yeah, so we're very humbled and blessed to have some of these really cool cars. We also have I believe it's a 2016, possibly 2018 Porsche 911 Turbo S coming in for a full wrap. Man, we got multiple vehicles. We got a lot of stuff coming. So it's too much for me to remember in my head to let you guys know. So when they come in, Kenny and I are just going to start filming the stuff as it comes in. Now we're going to this bad boy. This is a 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. This thing it's pretty bad looking. It's got the 9 yards. It's lifted. It's right the way it was built from the factory. We're wrapping this whole vehicle in the Ultimate Plus Fusion clear, and then Jose met with our client today. That's what a lot of this yellow tape is. This is just this is the stealth film on it. So what we're doing is here, we're going to have a laser, but Jose is going to be, after it's all laid down, Jose is going to be doing like a racing stripe, but we're going to be changing it to the stealth. Come up here, then we're going to follow the roof line right up top there. So we have a lot of disassembly. This vehicle should start Monday for its decon, getting everything ready for it, and then we'll be removing all of this stuff, all the badges, the centerpiece is coming out. The side vents over here as well, we'll be pulling these out. These will be covered in stealth only, and then everything else is going to be wrapped in the Fusion, the clear. You're asking, why does this have tape all over it? I don't know if this camera's going to pick it up, but Kenny and I will try to work to get on it. This is the quality that I keep telling everybody about that's coming out. This truck is close to $100,000, and all these tape marks is fish eyes, paint imperfections, and they cannot be. There's a couple that I think we can sort out here, but I'm going to say 95% of these are not safe to get. We're dealing with very thin paint on the rear of this, under 2.6 mils of paint, so very unsafe to go in and do anything. Some of these are pretty huge. I don't know if that camera will pick that up, Kenny, but these two spots right here, there's already got a little bit white surface, but the paint is so thin in here that if we go in here, try to wet sand these out or polish, they're just gonna be white or flick off because they're right on the edge. So unfortunately, there's nothing we can do with this. But us as wrapping vehicles, especially the newer vehicles, this is what we deal with in a consistency, and we're trying to let people know when they buy this stuff to start looking at what you guys are dealing with, what we have to deal with, because when we put our film over this, you're going to see some of this bleed through. No, it's not a contaminant. So that's why here we're different. Once we get the vehicle in, we assess it. We just had probably an hour and a half, 2-hour meeting with our client on this to walk over it. The guy is a huge car guy, truck guy, so he understands this and he understands the risk. Well, we can't go in and fix this. It's brand new, so obviously he's not going to have it repainted. So we're going to wrap it and make it look as tight as we can. And it's not going to be that bad. The film does mask some of this stuff, but it's there, and that's what we like to educate people on. But yeah, so this follow us through on the journey. Kenny, we're doing a lot. So with Cody doing an Instagram. Speaking of that, check out our YouTube page, hit the like button, subscribe, it helps us out a lot. You'll see all of our content. Instagram or Facebook, follow us, you will always see, because we got a lot of really neat stuff coming in. So keep an eye on this one. This is going to start Monday. We'll get rocking and rolling on this one. We have a few details coming in out. We really don't film those. We've got a couple BMWs. We got a Volvo outside that we're doing interiors and then polish with the polymer sealant. But this is pretty much our wheelhouse right here, is doing this, ceramic coatings and so forth. So yeah, so we just want to showcase the vehicles we got. When this one's done, the owner also owns, I believe it's a 2019 or 2020 Ford F-150 Raptor pickup truck that we're doing a full wrap on as well. So beautiful truck, we've already seen it. So as soon as this one's done, he's bringing that one in as well. So we'll be showcasing that and a lot more vehicles. We got a couple more Rivians coming in. So we got a lot on the go. Very humble and thankful for all you guys, especially our clients that are waiting in line for us. Some of these guys are bringing their cars here and we can't even touch them for a week or two because they don't want to drive them, because they understand the quality issues that we're dealing with, that we got to get them protected. So yeah, so thanks for listening to us again, guys. Anyone has any questions, want anything done, ceramic coatings, want to be educated on proper ceramic coatings, not the crap comes in a spray bottle, not these guys that are charging $500 for a 5-year warranty. It's garbage. It does give you some protection, but please educate yourself, people. That's what I'm on a mission here. All my guys here is to let people know true protection. Yes, those things give you sacrificial protection that doesn't last very long. Also, another thing that sets us apart here is we charge nothing for any of our maintenance washes. You get a ceramic coating here, our 4-year coatings, we only want to see the vehicle back once a year, and as long as you follow your washing procedures that we tell you to, when you come here for us to check them over, it's always free. We do not charge you. And that's with any of our things. Our PPF work, there's issues, we got a 10-year warranty on it. After about 4 to 5 weeks of every PPF job, I don't care if you're just getting headlights put on, you bring it back in, we go over the whole car, we wash it, check our work, make sure you're happy with it, and out the door you go. So again, no maintenance watch. These guys are charging anywhere from $75 up to $250 every 6 months to so-called warranty. So we can explain all that to you. So if you're looking around and you want to get educated, give us a call. Check us out at 219-628-0288. As always, love and happiness. Peace.